Hello everyone. The point of sale auto session close module will help user to close the point of sale session automatically. Once this module is installed, now let's complete some configurations for this. So for that we need to get into and settings. Under point of sale, we need to get into that auto session close configuration tab where you can see an option to check as well as close the session of the point of sale. Now there will be in field where user can define the amount of time for frequency checking of the status of the session. We need to give this time as well. So for example, I'm giving 1 minute. Now let's save this one. Now let's get into the point of sale and open a new session. Based on the frequency that we have added, it will show a warning message to the user. So from here you can see we have received a warning message. So once you click on an OK option, it will automatically lead us to the main page and the session will be automatically closed. So once the session closed, we can see and closed history of that session in separately in this menu named session closed log. When you get into that, on the list view, we can see a session created on as well as the note right away here in this page. In this way, we can make use of this module to close the point of the session automatically. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To know more about and point of sale related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated point of sale features that we have added. Thanks for watching.